This is actually an extension of my Hobonichi haul, which I did just now. So this is going to be something that is going to supplement my obsession with the Hobonichi techo. I bought these from Stickerrific. Stickerrific is situated in KL, in PJ to be exact. It is a stationery shop that you can buy a number of things, including Hobonichi. Unfortunately, I didn't get it from there because I wanted to buy the set, so they didn't offer the set, so I bought it from Hobonichi website straight away. But I bought a lot of things just to supplement my obsession with Hobonichi. I'm going to open this up and I'll let you see what it is. This is a bigger box than I usually get from Stickerrific. So it shows that there's a number of things inside here. I have placed a message to the team and I said I wanted Leia. Leia is a cat. She is a resident of Stickerrific shop. So they actually have 4 cats, I think. They have Leia, Luke, Chewie, and Han. Star Wars character, isn't that cute? So anyway, I said I wanted Leia and Han to say hello to me on Instagram, and I gave them my Instagram handle, and the team actually did that. It's so cute. Here we go. Blessed by Leia. Oh my god. Kenapa comel sangat? Look at that. Blessed by Leia. Oh my god. I'm going to keep this. I'm going to try to keep this. How do I keep this? Oh my god, can I keep this? Oh no. Okay, wait. I'll try to salvage this somehow. I think I can. Oh my god, look at that. So cute. So they wrapped it up really well. And we have... Okay, wait. I'm going to show you everything. Let me just take out everything first. We have some freebies. Look at the September one. Oh, okay. That's me. I'm on my headphones most of the time. There's another freebie right there. It's a cat sitting on some books. Here we go. I think there's quite a few there. Oh, okay. Man, I'm going to use this one. How am I going to use it? Oh, I'll just have to think of how I'm going to use it. Probably it'll stick out on my on one of the pages on my Hobonichi. Who knows? Eek! Let's start off with this one first. So these are the postcards. It's available on Stickerrific website. I think there's quite a few that you can choose from. If I'm using the cover on cover, which is the clear one, on my Hobonichi A5, so I could probably stick this and you could change it up a little bit. How pretty, right? Oh, I mean, it could have been bigger, but come on, this is postcard. That's just fine. I think that's okay. Man, that's pretty. Then there's another one here, which is the travel postcard. And yeah, I miss traveling, but that looks nice too, right? That's how it looks like behind. Does have a stamp, place to stamp there, and there's the Stickerrific logo right there. To fuel my obsession with Hobonichi, I have bought myself a Watercolor, and this is in white. Why I bought this one is because I'll be doing a lot of painting next year, and one of the YouTube people that I follow was saying that, you know, don't think about it too much. If, let's say, for example, you think you did you messed up a page, that's fine. It goes with the territory and it adds a little bit of character to your page. So I said to myself, yeah, okay, fine, I'm just going to throw caution to the wind and I'm just going to go and do this. Paint, whatever it is, I'm just going to paint. Okay, that is pretty. Oh my god. It is Holbein X Stickerrific watercolor, 24 colors in it. How exciting. Okay. There's so many things that I can do with that. These are the color swatches. I can do it later on, just to see what the colors look like watered down, or even a little bit more on the darker side or more pigmented side. So I'm just going to do that later on this year. I'm going to use this Watercolor white to actually stamp some the dates on the watercolor itself, so it will stand out more, instead of using the VersaFine in black. So I'm just going to use this one, the Watercolor in white. There's a VersaFine in white, but that one costs a lot. So since I'm not going to use this one too often, so I'll just get the small one instead. Logic. On to the next one, which is here, and it's actually secured with a small washi tape right there. Okay, this is also a watercolor, but this one is in gold. Now, reason being is I wanted to just, you know, play around with some metallic colors, so why not use this one in order to add in with the watercolors in here, so I can create my own metallic colors. And if I like it, then probably next time around I'll just buy the metallic color palette. This is also from Holbein in gold. Then I'm going to show this one. This is one of the stamps that I really wanted. It's not part of the watercolor items, but this is going to serve as my way of tracking takeout food that I bought. There's the date right there, and whatever takeout that you bought, and write it on once you've already stamped it. Cool, eh? That's how it looks like. You can actually, of course, you can actually color it. And then these two, this is the Velvet Touch Princeton brushes that I wanted to purchase, and this is going to serve me well for my watercolor obsession that's going to be next year. And then this one is Mr. Happy Feet's one. This is also from Princeton. This is the synthetic golden Taclon. This one has 6 brushes in it. This one only has 4. This one is the Velvet Touch premium brush for the perfect touch. It has this big one which I really wanted. So yes, we're going to share, hopefully. Yeah, but yes, we're supposed to be sharing these brushes. I bought this one, which is the Pentel marker. This is in white. This is the paint marker. I'm going to use this to write on jars to indicate the flower that we have. It really irks me when I don't know what kind of flower is in what jar, so I'm going to use this to mark those. And then the next items are these ones, which is the Zig Clean Color Dot. I love this because I can actually dot this on the dates in the Hobonichi. This one is in fawn. This is the color right here, kind of like a beige color. Fawn. This one is in blue bonnet. That's the color. Blue bonnet. This is going to serve a lot of purpose, like highlighting, dotting the dates, and then a number of things. You don't have to use just this part right here. There's also this part, which is actually kind of like a marker pen, but a 0.5 millimeter one. I can't remember how to say this. It's not hyacinth, it's I can't remember, but yeah, this color, this is the purple color, and this one, if I'm not mistaken, is Summer Sun. Yep, Summer Sun yellow. This book darts is actually available on Hobonichi website, but I decided to purchase from Stickerrific instead because I was still contemplating on whether to get it or not, but at the last minute, when I purchased stuff from Stickerrific, I decided just get it. Okay, so this book darts, what I'm going to use it for is actually to pin it to the end of the A5 pages so that it doesn't curl up when I'm using it or when I'm writing in it, so it retains its pristine crispness instead of curling up. So this one in particular is actually the mixed colors book darts. You can actually get it in copper and silver, but they also have, I think this is gold color, which is very nice. And there's I think 4 of each. I think, yeah, there's about 4 of each. Excited to use that. You can actually purchase this one in tin as well, but I didn't want to buy that many. And the last item, which is from Sakurala, this is the travel clear stamp, and it's so cool. So you have the, you can put this one inside here. You can actually remove this C, and you can put go wherever, and then eat wherever, see whatever, and then you can just stamp it on your Hobonichi. You can also put your itinerary and use these check boxes to mark off the things that you've already done or places that you've already seen there. And then it does have business, road trip, vacation, staycation, and then there's the sun, the anchor, bicycle, and the globe. There's also a train, boarding pass, fork and spoon, plane, a luggage, a bus, a ship, and this is night, and the sun and the moon, moon, and then there's a person, you know, brisk walking or something, or touring, and then there's a caravan or RV kind of thing here. Okay, and then there's also a car or a station wagon, looks like it. I am excited to use this very much, and that's about it. I have a number of things here. Let me know if you suddenly have the urge to buy anything from Stickerrific after seeing my haul. Let me know what those items are. I might get obsessed again and repurchase more things from there. So that's about it. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you again soon. Bye.